Thank you for supporting Art in 9 Minor. We are immensely grateful for your unwavering support and dedication to our artistic endeavors. Your commitment to our platform has been instrumental in our growth and success. Your belief in our vision and the value we bring to the art community motivates us to push boundaries and create more meaningful content. Without your support, Art in 9 Minor would not be what it is today. From the bottom of our hearts, we extend our sincerest gratitude for standing by us and being an integral part of our journey. Thank you for shopping with Art in 9 Minor. Your decision to invest in our art products is not only a testament to our craftsmanship, but also a vote of confidence in our brand. We take pride in curating unique and exceptional pieces that resonate with your artistic sensibilities. Your patronage enables us to continue showcasing original art, fostering creativity, and expanding our collection. It is through your purchases that we can sustain our passion for art and bring more beauty into the world. We genuinely appreciate your support and look forward to serving you with even more remarkable art in the future. In addition to expressing our gratitude, we would like to invite you to like and subscribe to the Art in 9 Minor channel. By doing so, you become an integral part of our online community, joining fellow art enthusiasts who share a deep appreciation for creativity. Subscribing to our channel ensures that you never miss out on the latest art tutorials, behind-the-scenes insights, and captivating artistic journeys. Furthermore, your likes and comments provide us with valuable feedback and encouragement, driving us to create content that resonates with you. Together, we can foster a vibrant and supportive artistic community that uplifts and inspires. Liking and subscribing to the Art in 9 Minor channel goes beyond personal benefit. It also helps us reach a wider audience, allowing us to touch the lives of more individuals who may find solace, joy, and inspiration through art. Your support enhances our visibility, enabling us to connect with artists and enthusiasts from all walks of life. By spreading the word about our channel, you contribute to the growth of our community. Your simple action of liking and subscribing can make a significant difference in the lives of aspiring artists worldwide. Thanks for your continuous support of Art in 9 Minor.